Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie for the gym. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a liquid base, like water or milk, and 1 to 2 servings of your favorite fruits. Don't forget a protein source, such as protein powder or Greek yogurt, and a handful of leafy greens for extra nutrients. This simple approach ensures a balanced and effective drink. To boost your smoothie, consider adding 1 scoop of protein powder for muscle support. A tablespoon of nut butter provides healthy fats, and chia or flax seeds offer omega-3 fatty acids. For an extra nutritional punch without changing the flavor, toss in a handful of spinach or kale. These additions make your smoothie even more beneficial for your fitness goals. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. Always pour your liquids into the blender first, then add soft ingredients, and finally, your frozen items. Blend everything until it's completely smooth, which usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. If it's too thick, simply add a little more liquid. If it's too thin, a few more ice cubes will do the trick. Timing your smoothie can maximize its benefits. For a pre-workout energy boost, drink it 30 to 60 minutes before your session. For optimal muscle recovery, consume it within 30 minutes after your workout. To save time, prepare ingredient bags in advance. This easy method ensures you get the most out of your delicious and nutritious gym smoothie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.